my dear friends. I am Sidhu Chandran from class 4. We gathered here for the assembly of LP section. Without God's grace, we can't do anything better. So let's welcome our friends for prayer song.
They shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. They shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy from us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Thank you, friends. We are all dedicated to our country to remember the prosperity and courage of our country. We have pledged. I invite Anamika Saji for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you all.
Thank you, friends. Every day we should have a thought for goodness. Then our day become great. For today's thought, I would like to invite Tanya Cross.
Respected headmisters, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good morning to all. I am Tanya from Standard 1. Now I am presenting today's thought. According to Henry James, three things in human life are important. The first is to be kind, the second is to be kind, the third is to be kind. Because kindness is most important things in human life, teachers and parents teach our child. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Tanya. Every day a handful of incidents happening around us. For the information, we have only a method, that is news reading. So, for the news reading, I invite Pragna.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's news headline. This is Pragna from class 3. COVID-19. India hits 100 crore vaccine milestone. Heavy rain, floods, landslides. Kerala counts its loss. Petrol and diesel price hiked again. Hint fresh heights. Check fuel rates in your city today. Sports. Hima got too much attention. Needs to understand her future is in the sports. Galine. India has some serious match winners going to World Cup. Steve Smith. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Pragna. Each day has its own importance. Do you know today's importance? I invite Tita for sharing the importance of the day. Good morning to all. I'm going to say a few words about the importance of this day. Do you know what's the importance of this day? Today is World Artist Day. There is no history or culture without art. The day also celebrates one of the most famous artists, Pablo Picasso. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Tirtha. Now we can go through some entertainments. First of all, let's listen a story. I invite Faye Maria Jackson for storytelling.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Faye Maria Jackson. Today I am going to tell you a story, The Ant and the Dog. One day an ant was very thirsty. So he went near the river to drink water. Suddenly he fell down into the river and started crying, "Help! Help!" The dog sitting on a nearby tree
saw the ant in danger. She plucked the leaf and dropped into the river. Ant climbed on a leaf and reached safely. After some days, the hunter came to the jungle to catch the dove. He threw his net. On seeing the dove in danger, the ant bit the hunter. The hunter dropped the net and ran away. The ant and the dove became friends. Friends, moral of the story is help each other. Thank you.
Thank you, Friend Mary. The another piece of entertainment is a dance. I invite Vaiga. Let's watch it.
ും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം കായലലകൾ പുൽകും കണുവലിയുമീറൻ കാറ്റിൽ ഇളഞ്ഞാറിൻ നിലയാടും കുളിരുലാവും നാട് നിറപൊലിയേകാമെല്ലരിയ നേരിനാ പുതുവിള നേരുന്നോരിനിയ നാടിനാ കുട്ടനാടിൻ നീളം കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം കണ്ണോടു കരിയുടും മണ്ണുതിരും മണമോ പെണ്ണിനു വിയർപ്പാലേ മധുമണമോ ഞാറ്റോല പച്ചവല പൊന്നും തെളിക്കൊലുസ പെണ്ണിവൾ കളമാറ്റും കളമൊഴിയാ കൊച്ചികൾ പകൽ നീളെ കിനാ കാണും ഒട്ടിടും അനുരാഗ കരൾ പോലെ മണ്ണിനും ഇവൾ പോലെ മനം തുടിക്കും കുട്ടനാടിൻ നീളം കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം പൊന്നാര്യൻ കതിരിടും സ്വർണമണി നിറമോ കണ്ണിനു കണിയാകും നിറപ്പറയോ പെണ്ണാളു കൊയ്തു വരും കച്ച നിറ പൊലിയാ നെല്ലറ നിറയേണം മനസ്സുപോലെ ഉത്സവ തുടിതാളക്കൊടിയേ.
Thank you, Vaiga. Now, our former headmistress gives us a valuable message for the freshness of our mind. I invite Reverend Sister Vilma Mary for her words.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Sister Vijida Mary, the principal of the school, teachers, parents, and my dear children. Today, I am very happy to talk with you a few words in this morning. I came to know that this day the assembly is conducted by the students of LP section. Congratulations to all. Dear children, every morning is a new start in our life. We have got a day, so let's begin a new life today. It is said, yesterday is a cancelled check. it is already lost. It can do nothing. And tomorrow is a promised check. We are not sure of it. But today is a ready cash. So let's live today in its fullness. And I wish you to share that. We should live always in the present time. The living in the present time will increase your concentration in your studies, and it will increase your ability to study. It will increase your memory, and above all else, it will increase your happiness. The happiest man in the world is the one who lives in the present. So, you also should practice to live in the present, doing the things, the actions consciously, keeping a present mind of presence in all that you do, say, or hear. That can increase the concentration, and you will be able to live in the present time. It's also said in the Bible, you know what hour it is. It is now full time now for you to live from awake. The night is far gone and the day is at hand. Let's cast off the works of darkness and put on the armor of light. Let us conduct ourselves becomingly as in the day. Yes, let our actions be suitable for the day, not for the night. Thank you. I wish you all a nice day.
Sister, we are all Indians. Yes, we are proud to say we are Indians. Let's remember our country by our national anthem. Let's invite Ajit for our national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तप शुभ नामे जागे तप शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तप जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय.
Thank you all for your cooperation. Assembly dispersed.